Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the Apple Watch and removing the band. This prevents accidental activation. Once done, stabilize the screen with a suction cup and apply gentle heat to soften the adhesive. Use a hairdryer or heat pad set to low. Make sure to use the correct pentalobe or tri-point driver and an ESD strap to avoid static damage. Work on a soft mat and organize screws in a tray. This gets you to the point where the display begins to lift safely. You lift the display incrementally and inspect ribbon cable locations so you won't strain them. After exposing internals, disconnect the battery connector first to cut power. This prevents shorts while you work. Next, remove the delicate display cables by prying at the connector edge with a plastic spudger. Clean old adhesive from the case using isopropyl on a lint-free swab, then place the pre-cut adhesive gasket for the replacement screen. Make sure the new screen is aligned before pressing. Alignment now avoids pressure points later. You reconnect the display cables first, then the battery, ensuring each connector seats fully and screws return to their original holes. Once reassembled, power on and run immediate checks: touch responsiveness, screen uniformity, brightness, sensors, and wireless functions. If you see flicker, dead pixels, or touch dead zones, power down and reseat the connectors. Slight misalignment or trapped debris often causes issues. If problems persist, test with another known good screen or consult a parts warranty before proceeding with a return or professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.